There's 5 trees that we're going to be removing in this cluster. The double trunk cherry to the left. This is leaning towards the neighbor's house and the homeowner's house. It's probably about 60 feet tall. It's not any taller than the bucket, so we won't have a hard time removing it. There won't be much roping, a lot of bombing. Then the mulberry towards the right, there's a neighbor's pool and their shed over there. Then this lilac bush here will be coming out. This maple here is coming out. And here's a different view. That's the big cherry. And there's 3 mulberries here that are coming out. They're going over the neighbor's pool. You can see the pool right there, and there's a trampoline. The neighbor was kind enough to move the trampoline for us. Mulberry's leaning all the way over. So we're going to be removing the trees, grinding the stumps, taking away the stump grindings. Those two lilacs are coming out. And then these 2 lilacs. And possibly that lilac. We have the option of removing all 3 of them if they're in the way. The neighbors or the homeowner's not concerned about it. We're also going to be removing the stump grindings, taking all the stump grindings away. I'll get one more view before we start hammering these trees down. I would estimate the cherry is around 55-60 feet tall. Here's midway. I'm up in the bucket truck now. The mulberries were all tangled up. It was a nightmare getting them untangled. So now I'm going to start working on getting that mulberry over the pool there and the trampoline. I have the rope set up in here, right in that crotch there. We're going to lower 4 or 5 pieces. I got to watch my weight. There's not a lot of, that limb on that crotch there is real thin. I got to watch how much weight I put on it, or else that top will break out of the tree, lowering the limb on the mulberry. So I got to take 4 or 5 pieces off, then we'll be in good shape. We got the majority of the trees down. You can notice the sunlight, that's for sure. The neighbors will be happy. For that pool, get more sun on the pool. So we're almost there. It's got that mulberry going over the side trampoline. Here's a view from the backyard. I'm going to use that rope and the cherry right there in that crotch. Lower the rest of that mulberry off away from the pool. Have it all swing over this way.